how to upload a video to YouTube. First of all, click on the camera icon on YouTube homepage. In the top right corner of the page, you should see a video camera icon with a plus symbol. Press it. Click on Upload Video in drop-down menu. You should pick the top option, Upload Video. Then select the video file you want to upload. After clicking on Select Files, you will need to locate the video that you have saved on your PC. Select the video file and press Open. After uploading video, write in a title and description. This is an important step as it will determine how easy it is for YouTube user to locate your video, as well as giving an instant idea of what your video is about. Assign a thumbnail. This will be the picture displayed to people when browsing the YouTube timeline. YouTube provides the option to pick a still from your video or to upload a separate thumbnail that you have created. The latter is usually the better option. And playlist, most important part of your video. You can create playlist as per your choice. Then, read through the remaining check. There are numerous more checkboxes you may need to tick, such as confirming whether this video is made for children, appropriate for those under 18, and as a paid promotion. You can also assign tag, enable comments, and make likes visible. Press Next. Press the Next monetization option. Choose how you want to earn money. Then tap on or off. Then press Next and click none of the above. Then tap Submit Rating. Next, click Video Element. You will then be given the option to edit and end skin and edit cart. Once stored, press Next. Press Next again. YouTube will then quickly check whether your video infringes copyright law. If approved, you should be able to press Next. Choose Visibility Setting and Public's Date. The visibility setting will three options: private, unlisted, and public. You also have the option to schedule the video for a specific date and time or publics immediately. Check publics. Once you are happy with all of the various settings for your video, you can press publics. You should then get confirmation and be offered the chance to share the video to various social media sites such as Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp, etc. Hope you find this tutorial helpful.